Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'll talk about how to speak English at the proper roadmap. So I'm going to today cover about the best roadmap topic to cover about to speak English fluently like a. But many students are not decided to what are the roadmap, what are the perfect roadmap to go at the spirituality. But I am forwarded the step. I am talk to with the perfect step. They can easily understand. They can easily go at this step because sometimes you trying to speak English, there is no need a partner, there is no need a friend, that is the type of friend you talk with them in English, but you are sometimes go avoided to public, then someone to ask with them, but literally that time you nervous, you cannot speak properly, but you lack of voice also. So that's why today I'll give you one of the bonus tip and the roadmap, proper roadmap. The roadmap is, suppose you do not have any partner, but don't worry, I will give the solution. So I have used the AC Fluency. So I am recommending you to use AC Fluency app. They are available in the Play Store. So you can use the AC Fluency app. Literally, you can't believe I am using the AC Fluency app. Those I am started to learning speaking English. So I am using AC Fluency app. So the AC Fluency app build me confidence and lot of confidence. Suppose I talk in the conversation with the people so regularly and do without any stop. I constantly do work. So after 10 to 15 days, but you can't believe this is a very most that type of confidence I give, and those time I speak English as a very confident and don't lack of voice. So I am recommending you go to AC Fluency app and talk with it faster, because sometimes you give it a 20 to 30 minutes of free call every day also, and you can call with them another people at the multinational at all world also. The AC Fluency is available, so it is a Play Store also. So you can go and practice them quickly. Suppose you don't have a partner, then you can go with the AC Fluency app. Suppose you have a partner, then no need to influence app, because your real conversation is the best conversation. Suppose you don't have any conversation, suppose you trying to conversation, you still feeling shy to not conversation them, you little bit nervous, then first to try to influence app, then you can go right to the real conversation with the people, so the anywhere. So you can talk to another people. So you can honestly I'm saying the truth. You can go there, you can better opportunity to take that. You can daily practice, don't stop, you stay consistency without any stop. You at least do or 20 to 15 days. I'll guarantee you, definitely you build your confidence fast, then you can tend to speak English the real people. So I hope this video is helpful. Then really helpful, please subscribe this channel, like this video for future more. Thank you so much.